Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook with Momo. Let's cook easy and delicious salted chicken porridge. Salted and delicious. Porridge with tender chicken meat. If you have no appetite and want a quick meal, just cook this. Let's start cooking now. Steamed chicken marinate with salt for minimum 30 minutes. Rice and preserved vegetables. Wash and drain rice. Set aside. Add washed preserved vegetables and water or chicken broth. Select porridge button, cook for 30 minutes. Optional to add sesame oil into chicken. Let's check it out after 30 min. Look at the smooth texture of porridge. Add chicken and cook for 2 minutes. Seasoning salt and pepper powder to taste. If you add water to cook porridge, optional to season with chicken powder. It's tastier if you cook porridge with chicken broth. Pour into bowl to serve. Garnish with spring onion or fried shallots oil. Salted chicken porridge is done. This porridge is easy and delicious. Porridge is flavorful enough with salted chicken. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.